Finite element analysis is at the heart of COMOSYS. Without any need of transferring your model to a third-party software, you're able to perform the static and dynamic analyses of your structure right inside COMOSYS itself. With a fully automated mesh generator, the user can produce the most complex mesh effortlessly, while the powerful graphical user interface allows for easy inspection of results. With nonlinear capabilities, the cumbersome task of not allowing any soil tension in the foundations becomes a walk in the park. COMOSYS can perform the design checks of structural steel elements according to AISC ASD, AISC LRFD, Eurocode 3, and TS 648 specifications. By setting up extremely intuitive design scenarios, you can make COMOSYS optimize and select the most appropriate profile for you, speeding up the design process immensely.